As the world turns its eyes to the Olympics in Paris, Palestinians and those who stand with Palestine say that 39,000 of those who could be watching with us from Gaza are dead. Children who once dreamed of competing have had their limbs torn from them. Free Palestine chants rang out as Israel's national football team took the field for their opening game of the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris on July 25, and their national anthem was greeted with boos from sections of the audience. Israel's 88 athletes are participating in the Olympics amid its brutal genocidal war on Gaza, in which more than 39,000 people have been killed. Israel's 75-year oppression of Palestine has particularly intensified in the past year. Israel launched a genocidal campaign against the captive population in Gaza 10 months ago, resulting in the displacement of over 2 million people and the killing of nearly 40,000 Palestinians, the majority of whom are children and women. It is estimated that an additional 10,000 are missing or dead under the rubble of homes and buildings. Israel's participation has provoked criticism of the Olympics organizers, who have a long history of banning nations deemed to have indulged in acts that have contravened the spirit of the Games. Two countries will be absent from this year's Olympics, Russia and Belarus, as a result of the ongoing war in Ukraine. Which countries have been banned from participating in the Olympics? The first ban came in the 1920 Summer Olympics held in Antwerp, Belgium, where Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria and Turkey were banned due to their role and involvement in World War I. Germany was also banned from the 1924 Games in Paris as an extension of the previous ban and ramifications of World War I. The 1948 Summer Olympics held in London saw the ban of Germany and Japan as a consequence of their role in World War II. South Africa was banned from the Olympic Games from 1964 to 1992 due to racial segregation as a result of the apartheid regime. In 1972, Zimbabwe was banned from the Games in Munich due to the country's policies of racial segregation. In 2000, Afghanistan was banned from the Sydney Games due to the ruling Taliban stance on women. Why should Israel be banned? Israel should be barred from the Olympics due to the recent findings from the International Court of Justice that Israel is committing apartheid and systematic discrimination, say Palestinian activists. On July 19, 2024, the International Court of Justice ruled that Israel's occupation of the occupied Palestinian territory is illegal. The court's decision underscores Israel's denial of the Palestinian rights to self-determination and calls upon the international community to take decisive action against these practices and work towards ending the illegal situation. The court further concluded that Israel's legislation and measures constitute a breach of Article 3 of the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination, CERD, which prohibits racial segregation and apartheid. This advisory opinion highlights the urgent need for international bodies and organizations, including the IOC, to respond to the grave injustices inflicted on the Palestinian people and bring to an end the illegal situation in the occupied Palestinian territory, including Gaza. FIDH, an international federation for human rights, has demanded from the IOC for public condemnation, suspension of the Israel Olympic Committee, and collaboration with international human rights organizations to monitor the situation in Palestine and to engage in dialogue and mediation efforts to stop the genocide.